Want to maximize ROI in digital marketing? Are you pouring time and money in digital marketing but not seeing the return you expected? Don't worry. Today, I am going to show you how to optimize your digital marketing strategies to get the best ROI and grow your business effectively. Whether you are a small business owner, entrepreneur, or marketer, maximizing return on investment is key. In this video, I will break down the top strategies to ensure your digital marketing efforts not only reach more people but actually boost your revenue. Don't forget about SEO. Investing in search engine optimization has long term benefits that provide ongoing returns. With good SEO practices, you will attract organic traffic that doesn't rely on paid ads. Over time, this is significantly reduce your customer acquisition cost and boost your ROI. By focusing on data driven decisions, retargeting, email marketing, and SEO, you will see a huge improvement in your digital marketing ROI. Remember, it's all about working smarter, not harder.